Hi friends and welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to look at data frame in pandas. So what is a data frame? A data frame is a two-dimensional data structure. In the last video we have installed pandas and now let's import it. Import pandas as the alias for pandas we use is pd. Now our pandas is being successfully imported. Now let's import our dataset. So let me name a variable df for data frame and pandas pd dot read csv and pass the file path of your stored csv file. So I have created a CSV file named scores. Now I have successfully imported our data frame, and when I check for it, and here it is. This is a small data frame and for just for an example. And now let's try out some functions with the help of this data frame. So to know about the shape of this data frame, we type df dot, that is the data frame name dot shape. This gives the shape of this data frame, which is 14 comma 4. That is, it has 14 rows and 4 columns. So now what if you want to look at only the first 5 rows of your data frame? So df dot head gives us the first 5 rows of our data. Here they are. So if you want to see the first 3 rows, you can pass in the value 3. Similarly, if you want to look at the last 5 rows of our data, you can type in df dot tail function, which gives the last 5 rows of our data. And if you want to look at last 3 values, you can pass in the value 3 here. Now let's say you want the all the values from 3 to 8. For that, call our data frame and 3 and a colon, and as we want rows till 8, so that we will pass our value 9. This works in the similar way how we did indexing for NumPy arrays, and if you haven't checked out the videos of NumPy tutorial, do check it out. So let's say you want all the column names. So for that you can type df dot columns, and this will return the column names for us. And let's say you want to look at just a specific column. Let's say I want to look at only the mathematics course. So df dot just type in the column name, which is maths. Now we got it, and at the bottom we will also get the name of the column and the data type of that column. There is another way to check a column. So for that, df, and in an array you will type in the value, that is the column name, which is math scores, and again the same result. So what if you want to look at a couple of columns? For that we use a 2D array, and in which we pass in both the values. Let's say I want the gender and the math score. Now here we got both the columns. Now let's look at some of the statistical values. So let's say df dot match scores, and you want to find the maximum value. You can type dot max, which gives the maximum value, which is 90. So for minimum value, df dot math scores dot min gives the minimum value, and std gives the standard deviation, mean gives the average of all the values. So checking out this one by one is a really difficult job. So for that we use our function describe. with the help of a describe function, we will get all the basic statistical values we need to understand our data frame. So let me show you df.describe, and when I run it, I got all the basic statistical values, that is the count which shows the total rows in each column and the mean, standard deviation, minimum value, 25th, 50th and 75th percentile and the maximum value. If you want to in the interquartile range, you can subtract the 75th percentile with the 25th percentile. And yeah, that's all for this video. And today in this video, we looked at the basics of data frame in pandas. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.